In this Millionaire Lives installment, a billionaire yacht designer charts a carbon-neutral empire, proving opulence can coexist with responsibility. His early spark came from restoring a decaying sailboat, a story shared in candid moments about failures that funded the leap to a scalable green fleet. By licensing eco-tech and partnering with wind and solar innovators, he transformed one boutique brand into a global luxury standard with consistent margins. His triumphs include groundbreaking vessels that slash emissions without sacrificing performance, drawing high-net-worth clients who crave impact as much as allure. Behind the glamour lie the personal costs and relentless discipline that power this remarkable ascent.